Hey guys, in this video I will show you top 10 must-have Android apps. So first we have the all-in-one toolbox. So this app has got a lot of optimizing options with real-time memory info. So from here you can just see you have your RAM, ROM and SD card information, and below here you'll have the quick boost option. So by just pressing it, it will just kill all the running apps. And here you'll have a lot of tools like cache cleaner, history cleaner. So with this tool you can just clear history of most of the apps. And you'll have the call SMS cleaner, SD card cleaner. So using this tool you can just free up your space which are being occupied by useless files. And then below here you will have the app to SD. So using this tool you can just transfer your application installed on your memory to your external storage card, and then you'll have the file manager, and below here you'll have the batch install, batch uninstall. And so with this tool you can just install and uninstall a lot of apps at a time. And next we have the Lightning browser. So it's one of the fastest Android browser as its size is only about 200 KB. In this browser you'll get all the features of any normal browser, like adding multiple tabs. It supports Flash Player, and this browser won't occupy much space on your RAM, which means it won't affect your phone's performance. And the benchmark of this browser is greater than Google Chrome. And next we have the voice SMS. So using this app you can just type your text messages using your voice. So let me just show you. How are you? There you can just see the predictions of this app is very accurate. And after pressing the OK button here, it will ask you to speak up your contact name that you want to send this message. Home. So there you can just see, and then tap the send button here to send your text message. So that's a very useful app and it can save a lot of time. So next we have the MyScript calculator. So in this app you can just write on your screen and then the app will perform the calculations for you. The app will identify the numbers and the mathematical operators and perform the calculation. So it's a very useful app, and in this app you can also perform trigonometry calculations. So there you can just see it works perfectly. So it's a very useful app. So next we have Smart Gallery Lock. So using this app you can just hide your images and your videos that you don't want to show to others. So it's very easy. Just hold your image or video that you want to hide and press the hide button here. And you can also create your own folder to where you want to save that image. And in the settings option here you can just set up your password, and you can also hide this app from your home launcher so it won't display on your launcher. So next we have the Office Suite 7. So it's one of the best Android document viewer. So in this new version there's a new user interface, and now you can also sync your documents using Google Drive and Microsoft SkyDrive. And in this Office Suite you can create your own spreadsheet, presentation or any document, and you can also edit any of those documents too. So it's a very useful app. And next we have the Advanced Mobile Care. So it's a security app and a performance optimization app. So here below you'll have 3 different options. The game speeder. So using this you can just increase the smoothness of the game. And here you'll have the battery saver option. So you can just apply the super power saver mode or the power saver mode to increase your battery life. It works perfectly. You will feel that your battery life has been increased. And here you will have the scan option. So by just pressing it, it will scan for viruses on your phone. So now the scan has been completed, and after it you will have the repair option here, which will just improve your phone's performance by deleting the cache and the junk files. And here you will have the task killer, the privacy locker, the cloud backup, and the privacy advisor. So some of the features here are very useful. So next we have the Pi controls. So it's a multitasking app which you can access by just swiping from your left edge or right edge of your screen, and then you'll have different buttons here which you can just customize it on your own way, and you'll also have the clock displayed on your screen, so you can just edit what you want here. So I've added the recent app menu. So similarly you can just add anything that you want, any shortcut, any app, any task that you want, that you think you use the most. So now let's go to the Pi controls settings. So from here you can just add what you want to be displayed on the buttons there, and from here you can just change the color of the buttons and enable or disable the clock, and you can also choose the side that you want the Pi controls from. So it's one of the best way for multitasking. So next we have the power toggles. So it's a widget that you can just create on your own way. So from here you can just add what toggle you want on your widget. There are various toggles available, and you can also add any apps or shortcuts to it, and then you can also customize this widget and theme it on your own way. So you can just increase or decrease the transparency level, you can change the icon style, the icon color from here, and then the toggle will be placed on your home screen. And lastly we have the Photoshop Touch for mobile. So using this app you can just transform your images using professional Photoshop features. So you can just add various Photoshop features such as layers, selection tools, adjustments and filters to create awesome images using this app. So using this app you can just edit your pictures in a professional way. So that's definitely a must-have app for any Android users. So guys, that's all about the top 10 must-have apps for Android phones. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.